So the big question, why should I care about building science and these physical phenomena? I mean, we talked about it a little bit. You've talked to me about some of your challenges. We have some of these challenges up here on the board. You know, we want to help you understand your buildings better so you can get back to the business that you're interested in. That's the arts management side of things. Money's a big one. You know, we talked about my building's underfunded. You know, I have funding gap, funding issues. Understanding what's the best place to spend your money, or solving the problem that is actually the problem, it tends to save you money as well. We'll talk about it a little bit more, but you know, if I'm trying to solve a water infiltration problem in a building and I replaced all the windows and it turned out it was the roof, then I just wasted a whole lot of money. So that sort of thing does happen quite often. We see that quite often when we don't understand what the root cause is, when we don't understand the physical phenomenon that causes these situations. What should I be doing now for my building to make sure that my building is going to last as long as it's supposed to last, essentially? When we talk about building components, we talk about the life cycle of those components. A window will last 35 years, a roof will last 15 years, but that only works if there's a problem that is associated with those windows and roofs get addressed proactively and quickly. So our hope today is that you're going to come away with some key areas to look for in your building when you have an issue, so you can come and you can kind of troubleshoot things a little bit. You can have a better understanding of, for example, water got in my building, how did it get here? What are some likely sources? What are some likely causes of that? And this will be based on our experience out in the field. It'll be based on some recent projects that we've done, and it'll really talk about some of the key areas where we've seen water come in buildings and moist air come in buildings and air come into buildings and that sort of things.